Opel Ampera 2009. Presented as a concept at the 2009 Geneva Motor Show, the Opel Ampera previews a model that will be produced from 2011. The electric Voltec powertrain is combined with a 5-door, 4-seat sculptural hatchback design inspired by the GTC and Flexstream concept cars. Concern General Motors has published detailed technical information about the Opel Ampera electric car, which debuted in early March at the Geneva Motor Show. According to the press service of GM, the European sister of the Chevrolet Volt will be produced in both left-hand drive and right-hand drive versions, under the Vauxhall brand. The 4-seater 5-door sedan is equipped with a Voltec power plant. Traveling distances up to 60 kilometers, Cycle uses electricity stored in a state-of-the-art 16 kWh lithium-ion battery. When the battery charge expires, the generator, petrol and E85 fuel, supplies the electric motor with energy while maintaining the battery charge. This operating mode extends the range to 500 kilometers, after which the battery can be charged by connecting the vehicle's onboard charger to a standard 230V household outlet. The battery pack for the Ampera will be manufactured by the GM Group at the first lithium-ion battery plant in the United States. More than 220 lithium-ion cells in a T-block provide ample power. The nearly silent electric motor delivers 370 Nm of torque, equivalent to 150 horsepower, propels the car from 0 to 100 km/h in about 9 seconds and delivers a top speed of 161 km/h. The Ampera is perfect for the daily commute of most European consumers. For example, approximately 80% of German drivers drive less than 50 km per day. Opel estimates that a 1 km ride in an electric Ampera will cost 5 times less than a regular gasoline car at current fuel prices. The production of the electric car will start in 2011. On the Volt project, according to the DJs, neither financial problems, nor the retirement of Volt's father Bob Lutz will have an impact. In Europe, this car will start selling in 2011 under the Opel Ampera name. The Ampera differs from the Volta only in a frightening mask with boomerangs of headlights and air intakes. And Opel's Voltec hybrid power plant is the same, a 73 horsepower 1.4 Ecotec gasoline engine with a generator, a 150 horsepower electric motor and a 16 kWh lithium-ion battery. It's full charge from the home network, and with the maximum energy supply, the Ampera is capable of covering 60 km in electric car mode. At current prices will cost Europeans only 90 euro cents, that is, the cost of half a liter of gasoline. It is tempting, but how will the load on the power plants grow? The developers cite calculations. 10 million electric Opels will eat up only 0.5% of the electricity produced in Europe. But in the early years, the Opelivides expect to sell only a few thousand Amperes in Europe, and even then subject to state support in the form of benefits. For example, in France, the buyer of such a hybrid car has the right to count on a tax bonus of 5,000 euros. Now the issue of Ampera production is being discussed. The most likely option is a plant in the English Ellesmere port, where Astra is assembled. Moreover, Zmovci do not hide their desire to locate in Europe a plant for the production of batteries.